We are going to separate this egg. Actually, we're going to separate all of these eggs using 3 different methods. Starting with this one, where we gently crack the eggshell into 2 halves and carefully transfer the yellow egg yolk between the 2 shells, allowing the egg white to drop down into a clean bowl below. This method doesn't require any special tools and keeps your hands fairly clean. If you're not careful while transferring the egg yolk, you may accidentally puncture the yolk with the eggshell and leak yolk into your egg white. This will prevent the egg whites from whipping up properly. For this next method, we'll crack the eggshells and place the entire egg into a clean bowl. Before we proceed, please be sure to wash your hands thoroughly for this next part. Next, we reach in very carefully and scoop 1 egg yolk up into the palm of our hand. Positioning the yolk over our fingers, we move the egg around with our fingers just open far enough to allow the egg white to drip down into the bowl below. Once the egg white has been separated from the egg yolk, the yolk can be placed into a separate bowl. Our next method involves using this handy egg separator tool. I bought this one from Target for $1. It has slits at the bottom and a grip that allows us to attach it to the side of our bowl. We simply crack the egg shell and place the entire egg into the egg separator. With some gentle shifting, the egg white easily flows from the bottom like this. Using an egg separator with smaller holes works much better when the egg is at room temperature. The egg white is looser in this case and moves through the openings a lot easier. Once the egg white is separated from the yolk can be placed into a separate bowl. Egg yolks can be used to make custards or curds, like this delicious lemon curd. Now, what will we do with our egg whites? How about using them for light and fluffy cake, meringue-based buttercream, or macarons? If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe for more cake decorating tips and tutorials. A special thanks to all of my wonderful channel members. And to you, as always, thanks for watching.